So today what we're going to do is swap out this lock on this shed door. It's just like a standard 3-lever lock, and there you can see it needs 4 screws removing, which I've already done because I'm holding the camera at the same time. What you need to do is, once you've removed them all, is then you can slide off the handle and then it'll expose the spindle. Put it somewhere safe for now, and all you do is remove the spindle. You need to put that somewhere safe if you don't have another one. And next thing you need to do is remove the screws from the lock that are in the door lock there. Once you've done that, you should be able to remove the lock. Best way is just grab the latch and give it a wiggle. Sometimes you need to prise it with a screwdriver, or maybe just like get your chisel underneath and just prise it out, and it should come out easy enough. Once you've done that, you can offer the new lock into the hole, make sure it fits. You might have to do some trimming. This one looks like it needs some trimming at the top and the bottom because the plate is slightly bigger than the original lock. You need to make sure that the latch is facing the right way, which in this case it's not, so we need to change that as well. Yeah, that seems to fit okay, so we'll swap the latch around now. So I'll show you how to do that. This is a Smith & Lock type lock. Comes with a tool to do it, which fits in the hole there. What you do is just slide it in. There you can see the latch popping out. When the latch pops out, just twist it round, back into position, remove the pin, and then check that it's moving okay. That seems fine, so it's ready to go in the door. What I'm doing now is I've trimmed out a little bit more of the door to get the lock fitted in. I'm just trimming off the edges with the chisel now. I had to put the camera down for a while there because, like I say, I'm holding it while I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. And then we can put the lock back in. It should fit now. There you go, it fits quite nicely. And you need to check the holes to make sure they're lined up quite well. I think we might need to put the rasp in there just to clear it out a little bit, and then we should be alright to get the handles and everything back on. So yeah, you might need to remove the handle on the other side. I haven't done in this case, but what we'll do now is put the rasp in. There we go. This should help make the hole a little bit bigger or wider if it's needed. And then we can put the lock back in and see if the keys and everything fit once the handles are back on, obviously. I've got it all screwed back up there. All we need to do is try and put the spindle in, see if it'll go in. It's just a bit stuck. Try putting the handle on now as well. There we go. It's a bit stiff. Seems to be quite free, does that? As you can see there, the latch moving backwards and forwards. I've put the striking plate onto the door there. Needed a bit of adjustment. The door fits nicely. There you go, the lock's up now. And there you go, job done. Nice and secure. There you go, and that's how you do it. So there we go, that is how you swap out a lock on a door. In this case, this was a shed door, so that was a proper door that was placed on a shed. It's quite a solid shed that one has been replaced on, but that simple technique of swapping out the locks will work for any door, internal or external, which is made of wood when you're replacing a mortice lock, that is. The Euro locks are slightly different. They're a lot easier to do, to be honest. I'd do a video showing you how to do one of them, but they're easy enough to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Many thanks for those of you who have done that so far, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.